Hello friend, in this video I will discuss most important points of vector calculus, and the points are gradient, divergence and curl of a vector. Okay, so gradient is simply the del of f, that means del fx upon del x, del fy upon del y and del fz upon del z. If we have vector f in 3D, that means fx, uh, we have to write here with its unit vector. Okay, a vector is written magnitude with its unit vectors, that means I cap, j cap and k cap. Okay, and del is what? Del is differential operator. Del is a differential operator which can be written as del equal to partial derivative of xy and z axis with its unit vector. Okay, del x I cap, del y j cap plus del z k cap. So in three dimensional, it is a basically three dimensional vector. Okay, so del is a differential operator which is equal to del x I cap, del y z cap, uh, del y j cap and del z k cap, and del x, del y and del z is basically a partial derivative. Okay, del x, del y and del z are what? Partial derivative with respect to partial derivatives with respect to x, y and z axis. So if we talk about gradient, gradient is simply the del of f. Okay, if we want to write the gradient of a vector, we simply write the partial derivative with x, y and z axis including its unit vector. So we have to write del x f x I cap, del fy by del y with j cap, and del f by del z is with k cap. And divergence is nothing but the dot product of a vector. So if you take dot of f and operator del, so we'll obtain this term. Okay, and this is called divergence of a vector, which is equal to del. If we have a vector v, vxy, vyz and vz, so we have to write del vx in x direction by del x, del vy upon del y and plus del vz upon del z. So this represents the divergence of a vector vx, and the property is simply distributive property, del of f plus g equal to del f plus del g. Similarly, if you want to find the curl of a vector, so we have to take a product of the given vector with del. Del is what? Del is del x I cap, del y j cap and del z k cap. So if you want to take the cross product, that means like this: del x I cap, del y j cap and del h, del z k cap. With the given vector, whatever we have the vector, if you want to suppose the vector is v, okay, with its unit vector k cap, so we have to write the cross product after solving the determinant. So basically cross is represented by a determinant. After solving, we will get del vz by del y minus del vy upon del z x vector plus del vx upon del z minus del zy del x y cap y vector. No, here unit vector must be represented. Okay, after taking cross product, we will obtain a vector. So we have to write I cap, j cap, and this is what k cap. And the property of cross of, similarly we can write del cross f plus g equal to del cross f plus del cross g. And the important note is what? If divergence and del dot divergence of a vector is 0, that means del dot f is 0, then the vector is called solenoid vector. if curl of a vector is 0, that means del cross f equal to 0, then the vector is called irrotational vector. And the last operator is del square f. If you twice take the divergence of a vector, then we'll obtain Laplacian vector, which is represented by del square f equal to del square f upon del x square, del square f by del y square, plus del square f by del z square. And the most important properties is del square f equal to del dot f minus del cross f. Simply we can write, so if del square f equal to 0, then f is called harmonic function. Okay, and del square f is represented by like this, and the property is del square f equal to, first we write with dot and then cross. So this is all about in this video of basic of divergence, curl and gradient of a vector. Okay, thank you.